What's up guys, Pro Gamer 129 here. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to solve a standard 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is look for edge pieces that have white on them. So for example, we have white and green. So we just take this piece and we turn it towards the yellow to make the yellow daisy. Already 3 corners are there, so let's look for the fourth one. Okay, look, there's one over here, that's one edge piece, that's one edge piece. Note only to look for white edge pieces, not others. So now one is over here, but if we do like this one would be cancelled out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn the cube like this over here, and then we're gonna do this. Now that's our yellow daisy. Now we need to align the center pieces with their correct color. So this is orange and white, so orange and orange, and then you rotate it like that until it comes to the white. Note that, let me just sorry to interrupt though, but just remember the color scheme of a standard Rubik's cube is that white is the opposite of yellow, green is the opposite of blue, and red is the opposite of orange. So now we've done the orange piece, now just 3 more center pieces to go. So next one is blue, it's aligned over here. Never don't look at this, just look at the middle piece. The edge piece and the middle piece color should be the same, and it should be white on top. So let's rotate that. That's next piece. And then the red, same for the red one as well, because we're trying to make a white cross. Okay, that's 1, that's 3, and this is the green one. Now like this, that's our yellow cross complete. Now to make the first layer of the Rubik's cube, which is this one, is the first layer which we're going to be completing. Now that the edge pieces or the middle pieces are now aligned in their correct places, we will now insert all the corners. For this, first we need to align it again. So for example, we're going to be putting the white, blue and red corner over here in its correct place. So first you have to align it like this. Yeah, so first you have to check if it's properly aligned or not. So let's see, white is there, okay, red it's there, blue is also there. So now you will use the formula which I like to call the lefty algorithm. Now how will you use this? Note that you should, when you keep the cube in a diagonal position, you should always see where the white corner is facing. So now that it's facing on the left, we're gonna hold it towards our left like this and do the lefty algorithm. It goes like this: up, right, down, left. It's inserted. Yes. Now let's look for this one. Is it in the correct place? No, because white is there, but orange and blue is not there. So let's bring it here. Here, white, okay, blue, okay, orange, nice. Now you may come across this case where the white may be on top, so you may be confused, like if I should do the lefty algorithm or the righty algorithm. So during such a event, you need to just do the righty algorithm. The previous one that I showed you was the left one. This is the right one, like this: up, left, down, right. Keep doing it until this goes over here: up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. Is it inserted? Yes, it is. Now for this corner, let's bring it here. Orange is there, yes. Green is there, yes. White is there, yes. So now let's insert it. Now let's look at it. When we keep it diagonally, it looks towards this side. So we're gonna do the lefty algorithm because it's towards the left side. The white color is towards the left. So keep it to your left, up, right, down, left. Okay, now the last corner, which is green, red and white. Now like I had mentioned before, If this happens, you do the righty algorithm. So up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. 3 times. Always note 3 times. If the white color is on top, it always you have to do the righty algorithm 3 times. Now we can see that our white color and the first layer, which we call this one, is complete. Now we move on to the second layer. The second layer is very tricky, so you need to pay attention on this part. And the algorithms which I have showed you, try to practice them a few times so that you get into practice. Now we need to look for an edge, a middle piece which has no yellow on it. So let's look for it. Not corners, remember, no corners, just the middle pieces. So that's yellow and orange, no yellow, blue, yes. Green and orange, they don't have yellow in it. So we will align green middle piece with its color. So that means we will bring it over here to align it with its center. Now we need to put this one, we need to put this middle piece of the orange and green over here because it's orange and green. So we need to put it in the right side. That means we will do the righty algorithm. So if you are going to put it in the right side, or if you're going to do the righty algorithm, then you need to push this piece in the left. You need to put it back in the left side. Okay, so now let's do the righty algorithm. Okay, now that the white is here, you keep it like this again. You see that it is on the left side. So you keep it on the left and you do the lefty algorithm. It's inserted, you can see that. Now let's look for another edge piece. Oh no, it seems that we have no more edge pieces that have yellow on it. That's no problem. We can just go to some random edge piece and see if it's in its correct place. So over here, red and green are the center pieces, but the centers, but the middle piece is red and blue. So we will take it out of there using the righty algorithm. Okay, now here once again it's on the white colors on the left, so lefty. Now that we have the red and yellow, the red and blue out, we will take red to its correct color, which is over here. Okay, and then now we have to put it in the left. So that means we will do lefty algorithm. And if we are solving for the left, which means this piece will first go in the right over there, back side. Now we do the lefty algorithm. And then again, now we can see that instead of the white being on the left side, it's on the right side. So we keep this towards the right side and we do the righty algorithm. Okay, now this is also solved. Now we need to now we have another edge middle piece, which is the blue and orange. So that means it will go over here. Now if we need to put it in the left again, so that means this will go into the right again, and we do the lefty algorithm because we have to insert it in the left side. So let's do it, the lefty algorithm. I put this in the back over here, lefty algorithm. And now we can see that the white color of the corner is on the right side. So that means we will keep it on the right and do the righty algorithm once again. That's it. And now for the last, this one, we may see that we have red and green as the last edge piece for completing the second layer. So that means now that we need to solve it for the right, we will put this in the left back here and we will do the righty algorithm. Now it's the white is on the left, so we will keep it like this and do the lefty algorithm. Now that completes our second layer and keeping our white layer the same. Now we come to make the yellow cross. Now always remember, if your yellow can make a always just do this algorithm. Okay, first you rotate this counterclockwise. Okay, rotate this counterclockwise. No, sorry, I mean yeah, clockwise. Then you do the righty algorithm. and then you put this back down. That makes your yellow cross. There might be cases where you might come across uh, and how do we say that, yeah, you might come across a case where the L may be inverted like this. Just ignore this, okay, and look at this. The middle pieces only should consist of should make an L. Remember, when you're doing the last layer or when you're making the yellow cross, the corners, while making the yellow cross, the corners do not matter. The corners do not matter when you are making the yellow cross. Remember that. Only the edge pieces or the middle pieces count. So if you make an L, just do this, the algorithm I just showed, 2 times, and then when you're done, just put this white back down and you'll make your cross. Now our next step is to align the center piece, these edge center pieces with their correct center. So first what we're gonna do is we need to look for two middle pieces that are already in their correct place. Now none of them are there, so let's put two of them. So over here we see blue and green. Okay, no problem. Sometimes they may be adjacent to each other, and sometimes, like in this case, they might be opposite to each other. So in both of these cases you do not need to panic. You can use the same algorithm I'm about to show you now. So you keep this to your adjacent and the unsolved opposite sides to yourself. So you go like this, down, left. Again, sorry, that was the wrong algorithm, please forgive me. Okay, like this, like this, like this, like this again, like this, and then 2 times, and then like this again. If you don't see it, do one more time, because after the opposite sides, the it will make the adjacent sides of the same color. So now uh, if the you need to, like for example over here, the blue and orange are adjacent, so in this case you need to keep it, you need to do from the green side, or else if you do it from the red, it may never happen. So let's do it again, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, 2 times, and then again. Now you can see that the center pieces are aligned. Now we need to do 2 more steps and your cube is solved. We need to now align the corners on the right colors. So now first let's look for a cube that is aligned in their that is in their aligned in their correct colors. So let's see, let's start from here. Yellow, okay, red is there, but blue and green, they do not match. Same over here, orange, yellow, but blue and green do not match again. Same case over here, orange, green is not there, but yellow is there. And same, we came back to the same. So for this you will use another method which I like to which is called the the Niklas, okay, Niklas. Then you turn this up, then put it to the right, then you turn this up, bring this back over here, turn it down, and then turn this and turn it back down. Okay, now that should align one of your corners. Let's see this. No, nope, yes, yellow, green, and red. So now you will keep the aligned corner towards your left, which is over here, and then you will do that you will use that same algorithm again. Up, right, up, left, down, right, down, left, down, right, and that should align all your if that doesn't happen, that you have to do this one more time. It takes just 2 tries to align the corners. Okay, yeah. So the first try was over, now we're doing the second time again. There you go, that aligns all your corners. Let's see. Or yellow, okay, green, okay, or red, okay, yellow is there, green is there, orange is there, yellow is there, blue is there, orange is there, blue is there, red is there, yellow is there, and we're back over here again. So now what you want to do is you want to flip the cube like this. Make sure that the white side is on top, and just solve these corners with the righty algorithm, such that the yellow comes over here. Basically you want to flip these corners, but not with your hand, obviously, using the righty algorithm. So let's do this. We need to bring this yellow, we need to flip this to its correct colors. So let's do the righty algorithm. Okay, that's there. Now do not turn the cube itself, turn this. Okay, turn this layer, and just do the same righty algorithm for all your corners. Okay, now the last corner. And that's it. Boom, cube is solved. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and if you have any questions, do comment below and I'll try my best to answer them. Thank you.